Hey everyone, so we are going to pull a Soulful Woman card today to see what it has for us, what messages it might have, and keep in mind this is for the collective and if this may or may not resonate with you. So let's see, what kind of message do we have for today? Inner wakefulness. I am completely awake and tuned into my truth, clarity, and inner wisdom. So this is what it looks like. So inner wakefulness. Inner wakefulness is about really understanding our own truth, understanding who we truly are. We kind of become less aware of who we truly are because we've got information coming in from all over the place, from society, from our family members, from our friends, and sometimes it can get a little bit noisy in here that we can't hear our own soul, the whispers of our own spirit, our higher consciousness, our highest selves. So when we are able to tap into that, listen to our inner guidance, to our inner truth, that's where that clarity and that wisdom come from. So tap into that inner wisdom, that inner guidance, tap into who you truly are and be your authentic self. Now, to say that, oh, be your authentic self, this means that, yes, be who you truly are. And really embrace that, because that is important. You are important. You are worthy of being your true self, of being your authentic self, and listening to what your body, your mind, your soul has to say. So listen deeply, take a moment for yourself, really treat this time for yourself, this quiet time, as a sacred time, and honor that part of yourself. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.